everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel.
Yeah. You can wave it. Yeah. Wave it, baby. Wave it, baby.
Today's video is sponsored by a company called Rose Forever, New York. And they sent me over some flowers to share with you guys. And their flowers last up to 1 year. And here are the flowers that they sent me. They come in this nice crystal clear box. And here is a closer look of the roses that I got. They come in this clear crystal box like I was telling you before, but their arrangements come in different size boxes. You can get them in velvet boxes, suede box, marble, and of course my crystal clear box. And they come in different sizes too, anywhere from 9 to 49 roses you can receive. And as you see here, the draw comes out. Isn't this nice? I love it with the draw coming out. And Rose Forever is a company based in New York. They specialize in long-lasting rose arrangements made from 100% natural fresh flowers. And they use natural oils to preserve the roses. And the boutiques are handcrafted by professional rose artisans. Doesn't it look nice? And I love it in the black. And they have a wide arrangement of colors for you to choose from. Also, alright everyone, you know your girl is not a plain Jane. So I'm going to decorate my box. And I'm going to use these gold ribbons to add some decor to my box. Show you different options of keeping it plain. Alright, here's our box. And I forgot to mention, I have a discount code for you guys to get $20 off. I'll have it down below in the description box. So I'm taking out the draw, and I'll be adding the gold ribbon like I showed you. I'll be adding it using some Gorilla Glue, going right around the bottom part of our box. These roses would be lovely for a Mother's Day gift. Mother's Day is coming up in May. I just thought of that. And it would be a lovely gift idea to gift to a mother, someone special in your life. This would make a lovely Mother's Day gift. And if you get the clear box option like I did, you can just glam it up, add your own added touch, and give it as a gift. That's such a neat idea. Now I'm going to add the ribbon to the front of the draw that comes out. Our little storage area, which is so neat that this box comes with a storage area. Now I'll be adding some of this Glam silver chain going around our box. And the same thing again going around our draw. We have to do the storage draw separate, otherwise we will glue it closed if we put everything going around once all together. So we do it 2 separate times. And here is our finished look. I love how it turned out, a little extra to our box. That's why I love these clear boxes. You can vamp them up to your style. Any piece of glam decor you would like to add to it. It's very nice. I love it. And even if you want to add words going around the outside, that would be nice too. I just thought of that. That would be a really neat idea. Any way you like it, you can glam up this container and you can use the bottom for storage. Now what I did was I put some what do you call it, glass fillers, some silver glass fillers that I got from Michael's. I just added them to the bottom of our drawer. But you could use it for storage too, a little knick-knack that you want to put in it, or just use it like I did right here, make it look glam and nice. And here we go with the lid off. You could have the lid on or off. The roses will be displayed lovely wherever you place them throughout your home. So remember, that is Rose Forever, New York. And I will leave all the info for them in my description box, so you guys can click on the link and have a look and see the different arrangements and sizes and boxes that they have on their site. And remember, use my code Petalisbless20 for $20 off of your purchase. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. Thank you so much for coming on and seeing my review of the Rose Forever roses. I love them. And like I said, whether you want to keep them plain, just as they are, or vamp it up a bit, like I did, will be fine. Alright everyone, remember as always to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.
Yeah, wave it, baby. Wave it, baby.